I wish that I could say that in 8th grade I read To Kill a Mockingbird and wanted to be a lawyer and I never looked back, or that both my parents were attorneys and I never looked back, but neither of those circumstances are true. When I was in college, my roommate wanted very badly to become a lawyer and to take the LSATs, which is the exam to get into law school. And he turned to me and said, "Byrne, you are the only person I know who gets up early. Will you wake me up?" I said, "I don't know." He said, "I'll pay for your exam," which in those years was $35, if that. I said, "That's great." I got him up. I took the LSATs. I became an attorney because I went to law school. I want to mention that I have been practicing for 45 years. I won't say my age, but people can figure it out, even though my wife says I look pretty good still. But my mentor was a guy by the name of Marvin Mitchelson. He was a divorce lawyer to the stars, and he was out of California. He was the first matrimonial lawyer and the only divorce lawyer to ever appear on People magazine's cover. And we, meaning my former partner and I, became his New York lawyers. I saw from his work that celebrities, high-profile people were no different. They were going through the difficulties of life, and that has stayed with me. In addition, Marvin, who got into some degree of trouble at the end of his career, I have refused to do what he has done or what he did, which was that he fell in love with his own press clippings. He fell in love with the allure of Hollywood and representing the elite and the movie stars. And that became for him his raison d'etre, his reason for living. He then got into some trouble, as I've said before. So I have developed in my career a healthy respect for my own degree of celebrity, but I never mix it up with deciding that or determining that the life of the celebrity or the high net worth person is my life. I go home, I live a respectable upper class life, but I don't mix it up. And that is what I've learned from my mentor. Here's my advice, and I'm going to make you and everyone who's listening an expert in child custody. I tell my clients, as I'm telling you, that the law is that you follow the best interests of your child or children. What does that mean, best interests? And therefore, the concept of custody is entirely discretionary with the court. And I always tell my clients to wear the white hat as opposed to the black hat, after I have made them an expert in child custody, as I've just made you, by telling them that it's the best interests of the child that controls.